Today, you will learn how to make all periods bigger in Microsoft Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. If you only want to make a few periods bigger, this is the easiest way. Select the period by double-clicking it or dragging your mouse over it. Go to the Home tab. Find the Font Size drop-down. Increase the size. You'll instantly see the period become larger. You can also click the Increase Font Size button, the big A icon, to make it even bigger. This method is perfect when you only need to fix a few spots. If you want more control over how the period looks, select the period. Click the small arrow in the Font section on the Home tab. A font box opens. Change the size to anything you like. Click OK. This method is helpful if you also want to change style, boldness, or other font settings. When you select a period, a small floating toolbar appears. You can change the font size directly from there without going to the ribbon. Quick and easy. If your document is long, you don't want to change periods one by one. Use Find and Replace. Go to Home, Replace. In Find What, type a period. In Replace With, type a period. Click More, Format, Font. Choose a larger size. Click OK. Click Replace All. Now every period in your document becomes bigger instantly. Huge time saver. You can use the same method to make commas bigger, question marks bigger, exclamation marks bigger, and any punctuation mark more visible. If this video helped you, like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more super simple Microsoft Word tutorials made especially for beginners.